Hi, my name is Daniela Brown and I am the safety advocate with UPPAbaby. I am here today to go over the Knox rear-facing install to help with tips on installing this convertible car seat using the lower anchors. To start out with, I've already taken the liberty to route the lower anchor connectors and the webbing underneath the blue rear-facing plate, and I've fed it through the belt path and connected it down to the lower anchors in the vehicle. To start out to get that tight install, I want you to take your hand and place your weight directly into your wrist. So your wrist is at 90 degrees. Where you're placing your hand is at the top lip of your blue tensioning plate. And the direction in which you're placing it is right down this way, kind of where your back and your cushion meet, which is what we call the vehicle seat bite. So you're going to push down right there, putting your weight right into it. And you'll notice that this has excess webbing and a loop on the lower anchor connector webbing. Pull that through your rear-facing belt path. So you're pulling it through your direction of install. Push down and pull up. You can tell I'm holding a lot of the tension. So that's the trick in getting a tight install with many convertible seats. It's the push down and the pull up. The next step is to check our SmartSecure System. We want that to go from red to green. In the Knox's case, our SmartSecure System, or rather little red to green window, is a guide to help you with installation. It may not get 100% green, and that's okay. It will get triggered. Based on angles in the car itself, where you have your cushion angle, you have your back angle. There's also the angle in which to connect to the lower anchors. They all play a role along with the two recline positions that we have in the rear-facing direction on the Knox. They all play a role on where that webbing for the lower anchor connectors fits underneath the blue tensioning plate and how it triggers the tension indicator. So after you do that, again, your tension indicator should be green, but then your final check process is the following. You want to make sure you have good contact with your vehicle cushion. Contact here should be happening with your vehicle seat back. And finally, check in your belt path. So your belt path is right here, which is your point of installation. So I'm checking side to side, fore and aft. You shouldn't have any more than 1 inch movement in both directions. And this is the Knox convertible car seat rear facing using latch.